Give me a oh yeah! Give me a oh yeah! Give me a oh yes! Give me a oh yeah! Give me a yeah! Everybody in the room make some noise. Okay.
Oh
I want to say a quick. There was a couple of mums there getting far too into that. You can see them, they're like, it's my turn. Oh yeah! Okay. We want to say a massive thank you to any parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters, boyfriends, girlfriends, aunties, uncles, cousins, second cousins, third cousins.